how to crop a horizontal video into a vertical video. It's really easy. You just in Final Cut Pro, you just use the crop tool and keyframes. These are keyframes up here. But an edited video has a lot of cuts, and you want just one solid video, so you can compound clip your edited video or export it and work off the export by selecting it. Select all, and let's compound clip this. Right, now that it's a compound clip, go into crop. So crop is always based on the dimensions of the project. So I'm going to modify this project, and I'm going to just choose vertical. Right, that's going to make it 720 by 1280. You can mess with this if you want. It doesn't really matter for what I do. It only goes on Instagram. Now you just hit reset, and then you hit crop again, and it'll reset to the parameters. Here, show custom over, turn that off. It doesn't work anymore because the dimensions have changed. You have to create each of your custom overlays have to be the size of the actual dimensions. Let me crop this, hit crop again. I want to be on the first frame when I do this, but I'm going to add a keyframe. Alright, so now you're just going to hit play, and we're probably good till right about the end, and then he's going to bounce out of frame. So we probably want to move that right about here a little bit, and then you can just play it and then move this. Every time you move this, it's going to create another frame. So here, we'll go back, jump back to keyframes, a few keyframes. Now let's play it and see what it looks like. And then basically you just find it kind of every time the person bounces out of the screen, just keyframe it. You just got to think it's gonna. You can go back, keyframe, and then just see if it works. Okay, cool. That's alright. That's alright. Doesn't bother me too much. He's gonna go to the left though with his little bomb. So we're gonna follow him. Predict where he's going this time. Boom. Oh, maybe even a little bit more over. Okay, let's go back a couple keyframes and then play it. Well, it tracks. Okay, it tracks pretty good. He's going to run back, and I want all of what's going to happen up to right about here. So I'm going to do this, and it's going to do this little zoom effect. So we'll play, and then I could probably zoom back in right there. Maybe not too much, but yeah. So you get the point. You just click this, back a couple. You know, we're not winning any awards with this stuff that I'm producing right here, so I'm not gonna worry about it too much. I'm gonna leave the black on the. I don't mind black on top and bottom. It bugs me when it's on the side, but when it's on the top or the bottom, it doesn't really bother me that much. And then right here, see, when you're gonna do something like this, like jump over, what you want to do is add a keyframe right here, key that, and then go over here, because that's going to kind of jump. So now just to see how this plays out. Oh, I gotta fix that. That sucked. So let's go back and fix this one. Let's see how you can just kind of see where it's. That's because I should probably add like a keyframe right here. And then instead of letting it move out here, this keyframe should be right here. So let's see. That way it shouldn't pull out that much. There we go. Looks a little bit better. Anyway, so you get the drift. It's really easy. Remember is that if you don't already have a keyframe, like forward, like if there's not a keyframe beyond this, that's where this is going to create a new keyframe. So if I just hit play, that's going to be keyed up to where it is until you move this. Once you move this, boom, you'll see that now that's a new keyframe. So Final Cut makes it real easy to just scroll through the footage and keyframe.